Do you like bunny girls? Hello, I'm a dog on the verge of death.
I am his acquaintance.
Today I would like to introduce a girl plastic model from a Chinese manufacturer.
Blood circulates in the corpus cavernosum.
NUKE Fantasy Girls. CFO2, LIRLY, Bell.
Bunny with cute pink hair. What kind of character is it?
I don't know the details. I just bought it because the design was like 90s Japanese anime and I liked it.
Oh, I see. How much was it?
It's about $60. Let's eat some snow for a while to save money.
It can't be helped.
Let's take a look at the kit. The volume is about the same as RG Gunpla and Megami device. The unarmed mode is as you can see. It is finely color-coded and you can get a satisfactory finish just by assembling.
Its abdomen like a Terminator.
The transparent part of the abdomen is made of soft material, so it is afraid of deterioration. 4 types of pre-printed face parts are included, and I am glad that unpainted face parts and facial expression decals are abundantly included.
Is it easy to assemble?
If you have made several plastic models, you can make them without any problems. The parts may be tight or loose in some places, but this is not a big problem. Speaking of difficulty, there are many undergates, so it takes a little time to separate the parts.
I see. That's no problem.
The hand parts come with something similar to Kotobukiya's Megami device. As a whole, the range of movement is wide and various poses can be taken, and the joints are stiff and have holding power. The legs are interesting because they have a simple cylinder structure.
I feel the commitment of the kit maker.
Let's take a look at the finished product of armed mode and support robot.
Good. There is something like Takakoma of Ghost in the Shell.
I remember that the president of somewhere became such a prosthetic body rather than Takakoma. By the way, the support robot also has a fairly wide range of motion. You can sit with your legs fully spread, and it can also be used as a launchpad for railguns in combination with the previous work of this kit series.
It's fun to have many gimmicks.
The attached weapon has a handgun and a carrot-shaped bomb. Although it is not in the model of the video, it comes with a waterslide decal, so further detail improvement is possible.
It's a solid praise.
I'm a Japanese dog, so I'm sorry to praise the Chinese girl kit, but I have to admit it. This is a wonderful kit. There may be pros and cons, but the texture is not cheap because the plastic is ABS resin. I like it.
You may need to be careful when painting. Anyway, bunny girls are good things all over the world.
I agree, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon.